This is an on-farm natural gas compressor. It takes farm gas out of the ground and compresses it so that it can be used to run a motor vehicle. The compressor is a 4-cylinder Bauer. It's a German-built compressor. It can be used for any kind of gas compression, whether it's air or natural gas. This one has been adapted for natural gas. There's a couple of things that you do to make it compatible with natural gas. It's driven by a 2-cylinder Kohler. It's about a 60 cubic inch engine, and the Kohler motor has a natural gas carburetor, so it runs on natural gas. As you probably know, natural gas is perfectly clean. This oil, after 500 hours, is just as clean as whenever it was put in, although I change it at about 100 hours. On this end we have a pressure regulator. This will operate from anywhere from about 5 pounds per square inch line pressure to 150 pounds per square inch line pressure. And with the right kind of regulators, you could even operate from higher pressures if you had a well that put out 500 pounds or so. This is just simply a surge tank. It keeps the compressor from creating a surge in the gas flow. It accumulates some gas. So well, let's see, we're going to give it a try here. You'll hear a little gas escaping. Oil pressure, first phase, second phase, between 3,000 and 3,600. This is a gas tight fitting. It snaps on perfectly tight so you don't lose any gas here by the car. And the red hose is the inlet hose. The black hose, because there's up to 3,000 pounds pressure on this line, we have to shut the gas off with this valve and exhaust it through the black hose over to that tank, and that simply exhausts the gas to atmosphere. And that's standard procedure with any natural gas fitting. Natural gas is, of course, nothing more than cow farts, so there's no it's really not much of a pollutant. If you'll listen, when I shut this off, you'll see the little vapor coming out of that gray exhaust hose. America could be self-sufficient on motor fuel if there was a will. I built this whole setup myself with a little professional help, and if it's that easy, why isn't the whole country doing it?